Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use progress bar in monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to monday.com if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the home screen, we have my work, we have your boards, which I have two at the moment, and in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use progress bar in monday.com. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So basically, a progress bar is a graphical control element used to visualize the progression of an extended computer operation. Those operations can be such as file transfer, or installation. But guys, in some cases, so sometimes, the graphic is accompanied by textual representation of the progress in a percent format. So that is something that you need to go and keep in mind. And that's guys basically what you can actually go and do. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.